In this video, I will show you how to convert Bitcoin to USDT on Crypto.com. To do this, go and open up Crypto.com and click Accounts in the bottom. From here, click Crypto, and now go and click on Bitcoin. Then here, just click Sell BTC, and then in terms of what to sell it for, select Crypto, and then select Tether USDT. So after it's set to that, then at the top choose how much you would like to sell. I'll just do max and then click sell, however much it says for you at the bottom. And now you will see this, so the fee is 0. Now go and click confirm and enter your passcode. After doing that, it will then convert your BTC to USDT. So I'll just wait for it to convert. It can take a few seconds. So you can see right now it's actually already done. So it says USDT. And that is how to convert Bitcoin to USDT on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.